Hello everybody. I'm talking in this video about the passive voice. How do we make passive sentences in English? Every sentence in English has a subject, a verb, and an object. For example, my father washes the car every Sunday. My father is a subject, washes is a verb, and the car is an object. Definitions. The active sentence is a sentence in which the subject performs the action. But in a passive sentence, the action of the verb is done to the subject. To form a passive sentence, you have to change the object from the active sentence into subject. My father washes the car every Sunday. The car is the object of the active sentence. We start the passive sentence with the object to change it into subject. The second thing that you have to pay attention for is the verb itself. To form a verb in a passive sentence, you need to use is, or, are, or am in the present, or was or were in the past. In other words, it's the verb to be plus past participle of the main verb. For example, in our sentence, my father washes the car every Sunday, the verb is washes. It's in the present simple. So we need to change it into is washed or are washed. In this particular sentence, we need is because the car is singular. It's just one car. In the present simple, for example, my father washes the car every Sunday. Washes is present simple. We start the passive sentence with the object, the car, and then we need is or are washed. Because it's just one car, so we write is. The car is washed every Sunday by my father. But if it's in the past simple, for example, my father washed the car last Sunday, it's in the past. So it's the same. We start with the object, which is the car, but instead of is, we write was or were. And because again, it's one car, so we need was washed last Sunday by my father. If the subject of the active sentence is unknown, unimportant, or obvious, we delete it. But if the subject of the active sentence is important, we introduce it with by at the end of the passive sentence. Like in the example, my father washes the car is washed every Sunday by my father. It comes at the end of the sentence. Use of passive. We use passive when we are not interested in who or what causes something to happen, and for formal notices and announcements. Thank you for watching.